Now, you wouldn't perhaps expect to hear fairy music in Douglas. And this picture, by the way, is from, I think, the mid-1600s. But the earliest mention, or one of the earliest mentions of encountering this beautiful fairy music, comes not from a Manxman, but an Englishman who was forced to cross the river at high tide in Douglas in the 1700s. I think it was about 1730. So this is 100 years or so later on from this time, but you get the idea. He was on his horse, and the horse was well able to cross the river. On hearing this extraordinary music, both the man and the horse were transfixed, and they stood in the middle of the river for over 3/4 of an hour. And the man, who had been a skeptic and dismissive of Manx superstition, was completely converted after that.